Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. I just hooked up a new server and I need to set the IDRAC up and a couple other items. You're going to need a keyboard and mouse and a monitor to physically hook up to the server so you can get in the setup. You need to make sure that your server is already hooked up to the IDRAC network via the IDRAC port. Alright, so this is the one we're working on. This here. You're going to need a monitor, a keyboard, and a mouse, and just so we can get into the setup. So let's get around the back and we'll get into setup and get it going. Okay, to set up the IDRAC, just hit F2 and get into the system setup. I apologize, I don't have a tripod with me, but you're going to want to go to IDRAC settings and then network, and you're going to want to scroll down to IPv4. We're going to disable use DHCP for DNS first. And then we're going to disable DHCP up here. And then we're going to put our address in there. Okay, and then once you hit the back button, it'll bring you up to here. And next you're going to want to come down to this user configuration. And you can see here's our username and password to get on it remotely. Just go here, click OK, and then confirm it. Click OK, and click back. Then you're back to here. We're going to click finish. Save changes, yes. It'll bring you back here. You want to go into system BIOS. And we're going to go to boot settings, UEFI boot. I'm going to uncheck this Pixie. I don't want my server to reboot for any reason and hit Pixie boot server. And then hit back again, and finish, and yes. And then we'll do finish again. Now it's just going to reboot. And that's all there is to it. Now you can go to your PC and remote into it. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.